Hello everyone, this is Firoz Nada. In this short video, I am going to talk why a teacher should have a YouTube lectures. Why it is important to have a YouTube lectures for the teachers, especially for the technical teachers. You see, because of the internet revolutions, YouTube search engine has become the second largest search engine after Google, and because of that, the students, whenever they are having any doubts, directly they are going to the YouTube. They are not going to the teachers to clarify their doubts. What they are doing, they are directly asking questions to the YouTube algorithm, and as such YouTube algorithm is answering their questions. So when a teacher is having a YouTube channel, YouTube lectures, he can actively participate in answering all those online questions through the YouTube algorithms. Second is that the teacher will have a digital identity. He will be recognized as a global teacher. You see, when a teacher is teaching in classroom only, his idea or his teaching is limited to classroom. Beyond that, he cannot reach. So when he is having a YouTube channel, YouTube lectures, uh, the students of the world who are associated with that content of the teachers, the students of the world who want to learn the content of the teachers will follow that teacher. He'll be recognized as a global teacher. The students of the America, Africa, the students around the world will recognize you as a teacher. So you will create a digital identity. The third is, uh, you see, the good teachers of the old, their art of teaching is not preserved. Their knowledge is preserved in the books, but their art of teaching is not preserved. And as of today, you see the students are not having habit of reading the books. They are not reading the books. And what the books will give you, the books will give you the content and the knowledge, but it cannot give you the art of teaching. So good teachers of the old, their art of teaching is not preserved because they were not having that kind of privilege as we teachers have as of now. So we can take the advantage of the privilege that we have, and we can make use of it. Even when we depart from this world, our knowledge, our teaching will be preserved, and the students around the world will be benefited from our teaching.